Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Russell and welcome to my first ever YouTube series. This series is entitled Small YouTubers Journey, a YouTube series for new content creators. So guys, basically ginawa ko tong series na to para sa mga small YouTubers like me, sa mga gusto pa lang or nag-iisip pa lang gumawa ng kanilang channels. So ginawa ko ito para magtulungan tayo when it comes to ideas in growing our channel and tips and tricks kung paano ba lumaki yung channel natin. So every episodes, mag-upload ako ng ibang videos and each videos are all based on YouTube Creator Academy. So guys, right before I upload this episodes of our series, I'm also learning from it kasi tinitake ko yung courses din from YouTube Academy. And then, I'm sharing it with you through this video, through this series, para makatulong din sa inyo. So guys, just want to let you know that this series airs every Friday, 1 p.m. This is the first episode. And every episode, there will be a channel promotion. I will be selecting 3 channels na ipopromote sa mga next episodes. So ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this to those YouTubers as well. And mag-comment kayo ng name ng channel nyo down below. Sama nyo na rin yung tagline na, I will be a successful YouTuber. So pipili ako ng 3 channel na ipopromote natin next episodes. So ganun yung gagawin natin every episode. So this is episode 1, and we will talk about on how we can make a great content. Ano ba yung mga factors na kailangan nating i-consider in making a great content? Ano ba yung mga dapat nating isipin before creating contents or videos? So lahat ng yan i-discuss natin at pag-uusapan natin dito bilang small YouTubers. So please guys, stay with me until the end of this video para malaman nyo yung mga bonus tips ko sa latter part ng ating video. So start na tayo. Ano ba yung mga kailangan nating i-consider para maging maganda at kaaya-aya yung ating magiging video content? Of course, number 1 na kailangan natin i-consider is shareability. So, dito papasok guys yung mga tanong na ka-share ba yung ideas na gagawin natin or yung video content na naiisip natin. So, paano ba natin mamimake sure na magiging shareable yung ating video? Ask yourself, why will someone share this video? Will it make them cry? Will it make them laugh? Most of the time, kaya naman sinishare ng viewers yung mga videos is because nakaka-relate sila. Kapag nakarelate sila, so they will be engaged to your videos and that will make them share your video. Another thing guys na gusto kong i-share sa inyo is to think of contents on trend. So bilang small YouTubers, hindi naman tayo required na mag-focus lang sa specific audience. Kasi as a new YouTuber or as new with YouTube, we can still experiment kung anong contents yung mga maisip natin, pwede natin gawin. Kasi we are still finding our niche or hinahanap pa natin kung saan ba tayo talaga magkiklik. One best thing that I can recommend is to create video contents on educational videos or trending videos. For example, current events, news. And at the same time, you can also make videos about how-tos. Yung mga how-to videos, nagkiklik yan. Kasi yan yung mga usualing tinatype sa YouTube searches or sa Google searches. So bakit ba natin kailangan i-consider yung shareability guys? Unang-una, kapag shinare ng mga viewers or subscribers mo yung videos mo, mapupunta yan sa large group of audience. So that means it will help you attain a larger audience. And as long as na mas makakuha ka ng mas malaking audience, mas dadami yung viewers mo, mas dadami yung subscribers mo, mas may tendency na mag-grow yung channel mo. For that factor, iiwan ko sa inyo tong tanong na to. Mag-isip ka ng isang bagay na shinare mo just recently sa Facebook mo or sa social media accounts mo. Ano yung bagay na shinare mo na yun? At bakit mo shinare yun? So isipin nyo yan and i-apply nyo sa sarili nyong video contents. And it will really help you guys. Move on na tayo sa second factor that we need to consider, which is interactivity. So, dito na papasok yung pag-interact nyo with your viewers, with your subscribers. How can we make our viewers interact with our channel or interact with us? You can make use of YouTube features like comment section. So paano? You can ask for ideas from your subscribers or from your viewers what you will do next on your next video. So that means if you ask for their suggestions, they will be putting comments dun sa channel nyo. Magko-comment sila dyan ng suggestions kung ano ba yung video na gusto nilang gawin mo next time. So that means you're engaging your subscribers. And that would also help you grow your channel in some ways. There are also a lot of other creative ways, guys, kung paano yung gagawing interactive yung channel nyo. So you can also do some giveaways, so yung mga ganong bagay. So makakatulong din yan to grow your channel and to make your content better. Let's move on to number 3 factor that we need to consider, which is conversation. So dito na papasok yung pakikipag-usap natin sa audience natin. So physically, guys, what we need to do when it comes to conversation is to look directly at the lens. Bakit? Kasi dyan nanonood yung mga subscribers mo eh. So make sure you have eye contact on your subscribers and talk to them. Kasi imagine nyo, guys, ang pangit naman kunyari, hindi ka nakatingin sa lens, sa iba ka nakatingin habang kinakausap mo or habang nag-vlog ka. And at the same time, honestly, nakaka-distract siya, di ba, guys? So, ang tendency niyan, kung hindi kayo titingin dyan sa lens nyo or sa camera ng phone nyo, ang tendency, madi-distract yung viewers nyo. So, kapag na-distract sila, like for example, first few seconds ng videos, nakatingin ka sa ibang side habang nag-video. So, kapag na-distract sila, ang tendency is mag-close na sila ng video. So, manonood na sila ng iba. So, make sure you have eye contact or you look directly at the lens or on your camera. Talk to them. Like, etong ginagawa ko, parang nakikipag-usap lang ako sa inyo. So, ganun yung much better na way to converse with your viewers. So, let's move on to the next one, guys. Yung number 4 factor na kailangan natin i-consider is very important. It's consistency. So, when it comes to consistency, guys, maraming pwedeng pumasok dyan. Like, consistency sa contents, like yung mga topics na ina-upload mo, consistency sa time ng pag-upload, consistency sa uploads mo ng videos. So, maraming papasok dyan. So, isa-isayin natin. When it comes to consistency with your content, say for example, yung niche mo or yung mismong targeted audience mo, siguro hindi pa applicable sa ating small YouTubers yan, or you can already apply that kahit small YouTubers ka pa lang. Pero as a small YouTuber, like nga nung sinabi ko kanina, we can still experiment on different audience or on different types of videos para makita natin kung saan ba talaga tayo magkiklik. And another one for consistency is consistency on uploading videos per week. So, for me, on my personal point of view, what I would suggest is for you to upload at least 2 to 3 videos per week. Bigyan ko kayo ng example. Say for this week, nag-upload ka ng videos. That video, nakakuha ka ng subscribers. And then, hindi ka na nakapag-upload ulit. Nakapag-upload ka after 1 month na. So, ang tendency, yung mga nag-subscribe sa'yo dun sa in-upload mo ng first week, they might possibly unsubscribe you. Why? Kasi they are waiting for your new videos. Naghihintay sila ng mga next videos mo. Tapos, wala na silang napapanood sa'yo. So, ang tendency niyan, mag-unsubscribe sila sa'yo kasi wala na silang nakikitang contents. And another thing is, kapag hindi ka nag-upload on a weekly basis, you're missing a lot of opportunities. Opportunity to gain more subscribers and views kasi on a regular basis, kapag nag-upload ka, mas marami kang chances of getting subscribers, viewers, and growing your channel. And the number 5 na factor na kailangan natin i-consider is targeting. So ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina, guys, na we should have a targeted audience para mas maging defined yung channel natin. Not necessarily applicable sa ating mga small YouTubers, but you can also think of that. You can also consider that. And then number 6 is sustainability. So aside from consistency, kailangan natin din i-sustain yung channel natin. Ano bang ibig sabihin nun? So sustainability, somewhat related siya to consistency. So dito, we need to consider things na, say for example, yes, regularly tayo nag-upload ng videos per week, pero naisip mo ba na there are times na magiging busy tayo, may times na may mga prior appointments or may mga mas mahalagang bagay na kailangan natin gawin, may mga emergencies na pwedeng mangyari, maraming possible na mangyari each and every day, each and every week na dumadaan. We also need to consider that. So kapag dumating yung time na may nangyaring something or naging busy tayo, wala na tayong ma-upload. So that means hindi na natin na-sustain yung channel natin. Kapag free ka, take the time na or take the chance to shoot more videos. So think of more ideas on your free time. Shoot more than one video kapag free ka. Kasi i-maximize mo na yung time mo. Kasi ang mangyayari niyan kapag shoot mo na siya, so ang mangyayari for editing na lang siya. Mas madali na lang kasi no need to shoot na. So you can have reserved videos. Kapag naging busy ka, you can still have something to edit and to be uploaded on your channel. So that way, masusustain mo yung channel mo. The next thing that we need to consider is discoverability. So discoverability, it's actually related din dun sa number one factor which is shareability. Dito na papasok yung mga tanong na madidiscover ba tong video na to? Or mapupunta ba to sa suggested tab ng YouTube? Masasuggest ba tong video ko? So, paano ba magiging discoverable yung channel mo or yung videos mo? Of course, you need to make sure na yung mga content na ginagawa mo is something educational, how-to's, trending. Kasi usually yung mga nadidiscover na videos is more on trending videos, how-to videos, or educational contents. So you can also consider creating those kinds of contents. And the number 8 factor that we need to consider is accessibility. So dito na papasok yung paano mo i-consider yung mga new subscribers mo. So paano mo sila bibigyan ng heads up about your channel. So para gawin mo yan, it's very easy guys. You need to make sure that every videos that you make, you need to welcome new viewers. Kasi every time na mag-upload ka, may bago at may bagong manonood sa'yo. Kahit pa isa-isa, pa lima-lima, pa sampu-sampu, may bago pa rin manonood sa'yo, may bago kang makukuhang subscriber. So make sure na i-welcome mo sila sa channel mo and let them know ano ba yung meron dito sa channel mo. You can make use of the description box. Pwede mo i-put yung mga links doon ng videos mo. So you can also do that. You can also put your social media links on your description box. Marami kang pwedeng gawin sa channel mo in terms of accessibility para maging aware yung mga current subscribers mo at yung new viewers mo on what is about your channel. So, mahalaga din yan, guys. So, number 9 factor that we can consider on making a great content is collaboration. So, siguro for small YouTubers like us, especially ako din, hindi ko pa ito nagagawa. So, ito yung mag-i-invite ka ng mga sikat na YouTubers na or siguro yung medyo marami ng subscribers and magiging guest mo sila. So, may it be question and answer about how to gain more subscribers or kung ano mang maisipan mong segment sa pag-invite mo sa kanila. Ano ba yung natutulong nito, guys? So, when you're inviting a YouTuber na may followers na medyo marami or big channel na talaga, it helps you grow your channel. Makakatulong yan for other viewers, yung mga viewers nung YouTuber na yun na in-invite mo, they will be able to view your channel. And you will have a chance to get them on your channel as well para mapanood ka rin nila. So, it will really be a big help for small YouTubers. Pero for me, medyo mahirap siya kasi laman akong kilalang mga sikat na YouTubers. So, I'm really working hard myself growing my channel. Pero if you know someone, you can also do that. And then the last factor that we need to consider, but the very important one, is inspiration. So guys, kanina nag-uusap tayo, nababanggit ko lagi ay views, subscribers. So yes, part yan as a YouTuber kasi yan yung makakapag-grow ng channel natin. Pero at the end of the day, it boils down to our inspiration, to our passion. So in this factor, I would suggest for small YouTubers like us to do what we are passionate about. So make sure na every videos, passionate natin siyang ginagawa or every videos na naiisip natin, gusto talaga natin siyang gawin. Kasi when you're doing something that you really want, dun ka talaga mag-e-excel. Pansinin nyo guys, yung mga sikat na YouTubers, they are very genuine. They share their interest. So, iba pa rin yung you're doing it out of your passion. And again, at the end of the day, guys, what matters most is our genuine interest. Yun yung mga 10 factors na gusto kong i-share sa inyo when it comes to creating a great content. So, you can also consider that, guys, lalo na sa mga bagong YouTubers pa lang or sa mga nagbabalak pa lang gumawa ng channel. So guys, ito na yung bonus tips ko sa inyo as promised on how we can make a great video. So it boils down to just one tip which is vlog like a pro. So medyo mahirap siya in a way, lalo sa mga bagong YouTubers like us. Pero I will be giving you tips. For small YouTubers like us, honestly, di ba, nakakahiyang mag-vlog. Or kung bago ka pa lang, kapag humarap ka sa camera, talagang may hiya ka, you feel awkward na parang mukha kang tanga, kausap mo yung sarili mo. Ganun talaga guys. Believe me guys, I felt that on my first ever video na ginawa ko. At feeling ko talaga mukha akong tanga. At ilang beses ko siyang shoot. So, ganun talaga yung mararamdaman nyo sa una. Normal yan. Pero what I can advise is that think like you're a pro. So, just be confident with yourself. Another tip is pick your location. So, hanap kayo ng magandang spot sa bahay nyo or sa area na gusto nyong pag-vlogan. Pwede rin kayo mag-experiment like you can do vlog while walking. You can also use different angles kasi mas maganda yun, mas nagiging engaging yung video. And also, find the light. So ako kasi may ginagamit akong ring light. Malaking tulong siya kasi mas nagiging lively yung video, mas nagiging buhay. Pero kung kayo wala pa kayong ring light, I would suggest is to locate or hanapin nyo yung pinakamaliwanag na area sa place nyo. Like yung pinakamalapit sa bintana, pinakamalapit sa ilaw. Kasi the higher the quality of the video na ginagawa nyo, mas mag-stay yung nanonood sa inyo. And you also need to frame your shot. So, like yung ginawa ko dito is, so half body siya, ganun. And yung angle, sakto lang siya. So, hindi yung nakatagilid, yung masyadong nakababa, masyadong nakataas. So, make sure that you have the perfect angle. You can also choose your tone, yung magiging signature tone nyo. Kung gusto nyo ba bossy yung tone nyo, sweet, lively. So, it also depends on your preference. So, nasa sa inyo yan kung anong tone yung gusto nyong gawin sa channel nyo. The most important thing is get comfortable. So, dapat komportable ka sa sarili mo na nagsasalita sa harap ng camera para hindi awkward yung dating mo sa mga viewers mo. Another thing is put that energy. So, that is very important guys. You need to add some energy on your video para mas ma-engage yung viewers mo. Mas magstay sila, hindi sila mag-close ng video. The last tip that I can advise for you to have a quality video is to edit for pacing. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? So, edit for pacing guys, ito yung pag-edit na tatanggalin nyo yung mga dead air, yung mga unnecessary na mga bagay like yung nagsasalita kayo ng yung mga nadidistract kayo. So, yung mga hindi naman kailangan sa video, tanggalin nyo siya, i-cut nyo siya. So guys, I know, medyo mahirap mag-edit, nakakatamad mag-cut, nakakatamad magtanggal ng mga unnecessary things. Pero kailangan nyo yan guys, kasi tingin nyo, kung mag-present ako sa inyo ng video na maraming stutters, maraming dead airs, tingin nyo, di ba magkikwit sa video yung nanonood sa inyo? Magkikwit at magkikwit yan for sure. Huwag kayong tama rin na i-edit yung video nyo, na i-cut yung mga bagay na yun. Kasi napakahalaga sa video na smooth yung dating niya. So make sure na cut the unnecessary parts of your video. So yun lang yung mga bonus tips na gusto kong sabihin sa inyo guys. That will be our video for today. Thank you so much for watching this video up until this point kung nandito ka pa rin. And I hope na nakatulong to sa mga small YouTubers. And guys, please don't forget to share it lalo na dyan sa mga nagbabalak na friends nyo na mag-YouTube din at sa mga YouTubers na kakilala nyo. So make sure that you share it with them. And don't forget to comment down below your channel name together with the tagline, I will be a successful YouTuber. So ira-randomly pick ko yung tatlong selected channels na ipopromote ko on the next episodes natin. So again guys, thank you so much for watching our first episode of our series. Magtulungan tayo lahat as co-small YouTubers. Upload lang ng upload, tiwala lang, at darating din yung time na lahat ng pagod at efforts natin ay magbubunga lahat ng yan. So, keep uploading guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next episodes of our series. Bye!